Hi, and welcome to this week's Mortgage Minute with Meredith. Today I'm going to continue talking about how to read a closing disclosure and things that you should be mindful of when helping your buyers. So today I wanted to talk about the tax credits that we have to be aware of, especially with some new built homes. Under Section G, other costs, we're going to see where the escrow is set up for a buyer. And this particular buyer bought a home in August. Usually, escrow collects 3 months of cushion in the escrow account. You can see here, though, it says they're collecting 11 months. And that's because we're in month 8 for August. Adding 3 months of cushion means they want 11 months of property taxes in the escrow account so that there's enough in the fund to pay the property taxes come January 1st. Normally, the seller then would reimburse the buyer for the months that they lived in the home. And this is where you have to scroll on down the CD to Section L, paid already by or on behalf of borrower at closing, and check line 13 that says county taxes. You can see here that this one was done properly, that from January 1st to August 7th, the seller is giving the buyer the proceeds for the property tax for those months back. So they're actually contributing to the escrow account. The reason I bring this up today is this one did not actually start this way. This was actually a home that was built and finished in November of 2022. Someone purchased it, lived in it till this summer, and then resold it. The county doesn't certify taxes until October. So this property looked from the county standpoint like unimproved taxes. So when the title company pulled the taxes, it showed the seller giving the buyer less than $1,000 basically in unpaid taxes. Obviously, hitting my buyer up for almost $12,000 in property taxes doesn't sit right. And the title company has to then ask for an amendment to change this. This can happen with new builds also, like a home that is ready this year. The builder may only give unimproved property tax credit. So as an agent and as a lender, it's our responsibility to look at this thoroughly for our buyers and pull in the title company's help if we don't feel like our buyers are getting enough credit to help them set up their property taxes to be paid at the end of this year. I hope that helps. We'll talk more about CDs next week. Have a good one. Bye-bye.